Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Numan Ahmed and today we will discuss and summarize our chapter Earth in the Space. And let's start. We will take our first subtopic, and our first subtopic we discussed earlier. It was Earth, Moon and Sun. Let's see the further details. Yes, uh, the main characters we choose: Sun, Earth and Moon. Okay, student. As we know, space is the vast darkness beyond the earth and sky. There is no light or air in space, but there are millions of stars and planets, and millions of kilometers far away from Earth. If we can see the sun, so let's talk about the sun. The sun is very bright star, as we know, and it gives us heat and light. It is much bigger than the earth and other planets. Okay, and now move on the earth. You see the earth? Yes, the earth is not fixed in one place. It spins. It spins in anti-clockwise direction. It completes one round in 24 hours. 24 hours equal to one day as well. Okay, the earth also moves around the sun. It takes a 1 year for the earth to move around the sun. You can see in picture as well. Okay, see this moon as well. The moon is closer to the earth. It is smaller than earth and it is solid. It has no heat or no and light as well of its own. Okay, its light is a reflection of the sun's light. Okay, and the moon is called a natural satellite because it goes around the earth. The earth and moon both move around the sun. Okay, what other thing we discuss? We discuss the spinning movement of the earth causes day and night. It is day in that part of the earth which faces the sun, and it is night on other side that faces away from the sun. Night time for us is daytime for people on the other side of the earth. Let's start a little bit. We can say that the assessment. Okay, uh, the part of time on the side of the earth which is facing the sun is, you can see in this picture, it's day. Okay, the planet where we live in earth. Okay, other thing we learn from this lecture, our natural satellite of the earth is moon. Okay, the part of time on the side of the earth facing away from the sun. Once again, the part of time on the side of the earth facing away from the sun, and it's, you can see in this picture as well, night. Okay, the time I just said. Okay, the time the earth takes to go around the sun, I just said, I told you the time the earth takes to go around the sun, and the time is 1 month, 1 day, 1 year. 1 year is the correct answer. Okay students, what other things we discuss? Move on the next picture. Atmosphere. Earth atmosphere, it is a second subtopic. And what we discuss in this chapter, let's see. Yes, these layers called a spherical air, Kurrai Hawaii. We discuss a Kurrai Hawaii spherical air. So first layer is, it's a troposphere. What is the working of troposphere? What happening on this layer? This is the first layer where we live all seasons, weather, and we find this layer, jets and not jets, so aeroplanes fly under this layer. Now move on, second layer, ozone layer. It is very known. We heard it a lot of time, and we write a short note essay on it. It working it protect us from ultraviolet rays from of sun. And the stratosphere, it's little calm layer. There is no thunder, no harsh activity, but many fighter jets fly in this layer. And the mesosphere, the fourth one layer, and this is the point of shooting stars. They protect us from meteoroids, they come from the space. And the fifth one, ionospheres. In this region, in this layer, we can see a different color light. It's called aurora's light. We can see in northern lights, in northern areas like glaciers, they all color lights produce in this layer. Okay, and the second last, thermosphere. In this layer helps and maintains a spherical air temperature, and it's also known for its temperature. ठीक है, and its temperature is 4500 Fahrenheit. That is why it's called thermosphere. Thermo means heat. Now the last one is, seventh one is exosphere, is our outermost layer in spherical air. It is very thick layer. It is its thickness like 10,000 kilometer. 10,000 kilometer. This layer is full of hydrogen and helium gas. We can't find in the even a single particle of oxygen. Okay, other thing is, they are the pauses and breaks. They are the pauses and breaks are the, it's called, these all four categories are in transitional zone. Now students, go further details. See this solar system. Now we will start. Now we are talking about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Now see the Mercury. Mercury, of all the planet, is our solar system. Mercury is the closest, as you see in this picture, the closest to the sun. It takes 88 Earth days for Mercury to orbit the sun, and 59 Earth days to rotate fully on its axis. Okay, the surface of Mercury is subject to intense heat from the sun, but the temperature at night drops well below freezing. And the Venus, the second one planet, Venus is similar to Earth in size and mass as well, but its atmosphere is mainly composed of carbon dioxide. Venus is categorized by a volcano activity and intense heat because it dense toxic atmosphere. Yes, now move on. The third one planet, our home sweet home. Our planet Earth is unique in our solar system because Earth has air, water, and life, creating a continuously changing world. Earth's distance from the sun makes it ideal for life. To precise, because of temperature are not too hot or cold. Mars. Okay, Mars, known as the red planet, is half diameter of Earth, but has the same amount of dry land. Mars, like Earth, has a season, polar ice caps, volcanic canyons, and weather, but its temperature is too thin for liquid water to persist on the surface, on the layer. Okay, now move on. The fifth planet from the sun is Jupiter. Jupiter is considered a gas giant because it has a no solid surface. It is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium. Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun, is the second largest in the solar system, but it is the least dense. Saturn is recognized by its ringing system of ice particles which are common to all gas giants? Uranus. Uranus appears to glow a blue-green color in the dim sunlight because its upper atmosphere, composed of methane, absorb red light waves. Neptune, the last one. Neptune is the planet farthest away from the sun, more than 30 times as far from the sun as Earth. Neptune takes 160 uh, Earth years to orbit the sun, but the surface of Neptune is covered with icy, bright blue methane clouds are there that speed around the planet at around 700 millions per hour. And yes, one more thing, 11 moons orbit Neptune, the largest of which is called Titan. Okay, students, I'm give you one activity you can do at home. Do this experiment in your home to see how we have day and night on the earth. You will need a softboard and a torch and a knitting needles. Okay, knitting needles, and what you will do, okay, then I'll give you a small note. When I will give you a worksheet, you will see this activity in worksheets as well. Okay, then read the questions, and if you want to do, you can do it in your home, okay, with your parents, with your brother and sisters. Okay, how when the torch reflect on the ball and the torch light falling on the ball, then what happened, which side is night and which side is day. Okay, thank you everyone. So after this lecture, I'll give you a few questions to solve it, and obviously those questions related to this lecture. And firstly you will listen it carefully, then you can write it and do it very easily. Thank you, students.